The Vietnamese pork roll, or cha lua, stands as one of the most enduring and adaptable foods in Vietnam's culinary landscape, a simple steamed delicacy that perfectly captures the balance between nutrition, convenience, and flavor. While often seen as a breakfast or sandwich component, this traditional dish can also be viewed through a modern nutritional lens as a natural, portable protein bar. Unlike the ultra-processed snacks that dominate international markets, the pork roll's simplicity and purity of ingredients make it an ideal candidate for anyone seeking real nourishment without synthetic additives. It is a lesson in how traditional preparation techniques, rooted in culture and restraint, can achieve the same purpose that industrial food engineering often overcomplicates. At its core, cha lua is made from finely pounded lean pork, lightly seasoned and tightly wrapped in banana leaves before being steamed. This process preserves the full integrity of the protein, keeping it moist yet firm, while infusing it with a subtle aroma that cannot be replicated by any packaging material. The texture is smooth, the flavor clean and savory, and the nutrition dense and functional. Every slice delivers a high-quality source of protein that supports muscle maintenance, immune health, and daily energy. Lean pork itself is one of the most complete sources of animal protein, comparable to chicken breast or fish. It provides a full spectrum of essential amino acids necessary for tissue repair and growth, and is particularly rich in B vitamins such as B12 and niacin, both of which are vital for the body's energy metabolism and nerve function. Many modern eaters who experience fatigue, brain fog, or muscle weakness unknowingly suffer from suboptimal B vitamin intake, something a moderate serving of Vietnamese pork roll can help replenish. One of the most overlooked nutritional strengths of cha lua lies in its low-fat, high-protein ratio when made correctly. Traditional versions, when prepared with lean cuts such as pork loin or tenderloin, are naturally lower in saturated fat than many Western deli meats, sausages, or processed protein snacks. The gentle steaming method also avoids the oxidative damage that occurs when meat is fried or charred, making it a cleaner, more heart-friendly protein option. In comparison, commercial protein bars often contain added sugars, hydrogenated fats, or artificial flavorings that create digestive strain or disrupt metabolism. By contrast, a homemade pork roll provides satiety and slow, sustained energy release with none of the chemical burden. The preparation process, though simple, requires care and patience, qualities that align beautifully with mindful eating. To create a healthier, modern version of this traditional roll, start by selecting high-quality, antibiotic-free pork. Trim off visible fat, then grind or blend the meat until it reaches a fine, paste-like texture. Season sparingly with natural flavor enhancers such as sea salt, a few drops of fish sauce for umami depth, freshly ground black pepper, and optionally a pinch of garlic or white pepper. The goal is not to overpower but to allow the pure flavor of the pork to shine through. Traditionally, a small amount of tapioca starch is added to improve the texture, but this can be reduced or replaced with oat flour for a more fiber-rich option. Wrap the seasoned pork mixture tightly in banana leaves, or in parchment paper if banana leaves are unavailable, forming a compact cylinder that holds its shape during steaming. Steam over medium heat for about 45 to 60 minutes, depending on size, then let it rest to firm up before slicing. Once cooled, the pork roll can be sliced thinly into convenient portions and stored for several days in the refrigerator. These slices can be eaten cold, like deli meat, or lightly pan-seared for a crisp edge that enhances flavor without adding much oil. For portability, wrap individual slices in parchment or eco-friendly containers. They make excellent high-protein snacks for school, travel, or work breaks. You can also pair them with whole grain bread, fresh herbs, and a squeeze of lime for a quick, energizing lunch that surpasses any store-bought protein bar in both taste and nutrition. The balance of protein, modest fat, and B vitamins provides sustained energy for physical and mental tasks, ideal for athletes, busy professionals, or anyone trying to avoid the sugar crash that follows sweetened snacks. The positive aspect of reimagining cha lua in this way is that it bridges tradition and global wellness trends. It demonstrates that protein convenience does not have to come from processed powders or artificial bars. Rather, it can be sourced from foods that are part of cultural identity and culinary heritage. Moreover, homemade versions eliminate the biggest nutritional concerns of commercial Vietnamese pork rolls: excess sodium, MSG, and preservatives such as sodium nitrite, which are often used for color and shelf stability. By making it fresh, You reduce sodium drastically, skip chemical additives, and rely on clean cooking techniques that preserve the nutritional integrity of the meat. For international audiences unfamiliar with Vietnamese cuisine, this snack provides an accessible introduction to Southeast Asian food culture. Its neutral taste, compact size, and high protein content make it a versatile component for fusion dishes. It can be added to rice bowls, sliced into salads, served with noodles, or enjoyed on its own as a savory protein bite. For those avoiding pork, similar techniques can be applied using chicken breast, turkey, or even plant-based ingredients such as tofu blended with chickpea flour, retaining the same handheld, steamed concept that defines this dish. The universal appeal lies in its balance, light but filling, flavorful yet natural, and deeply rooted in a culinary philosophy that values both nourishment and moderation. In an era where consumers increasingly demand functional, portable, and health-conscious foods, the Vietnamese pork roll deserves recognition as a culturally rich alternative to synthetic protein bars. It proves that real protein can be portable without being processed, flavorful without being artificial, and comforting without being indulgent. The act of making it at home, from fresh ingredients, also connects the eater to the origins of their food, a mindfulness practice that encourages appreciation rather than convenience alone. By adapting this timeless dish with leaner ingredients, reduced salt, and natural preparation methods, it transforms into not only a source of high-quality protein but also a symbol of how traditional recipes can thrive in modern nutrition. When you hold a slice of homemade cha lua, you hold more than just a piece of food. You hold the history of Vietnamese cooking, a balance between practicality and purity, and an invitation to rediscover protein the way it was meant to be: simple, nourishing, and alive with authentic flavor.